Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss the topic functional groups. It is from chapter Carbon and its compound, 4th chapter of class 10th. So let's start. Functional groups. So what is functional group? Functional group is the substituents or moiety in a molecule that causes the molecule's characteristics chemical reactions. What it means? Substituents or moiety, it may be the element or group of atom attached with the hydrocarbons, maybe alkane, alkene or alkyne. It is attached with the hydrocarbons and it gives its properties, its characteristics to that hydrocarbons to chemical reactions that is called as a functional group. It may be element or group of atoms, functional group. So we will start the functional groups, but before that I will revise once alkanes, because if we know the general idea about alkane, then we can name the alkanes with different functional groups. Alkane, alkene and alkynes, these hydrocarbons already we have discussed in the previous class. Its general formula also we have discussed. See the alkane. Alkanes are what? These are the compounds, saturated hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon single bond, means all the carbon atoms in this alkane are attached with the single bonds, that is called as a saturated hydrocarbons. Now general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Alkanes CnH2n plus 2. All the types of alkanes will follow this formula CnH2n plus 2. N is the number of carbon atoms. See the picture, methane. Methane compound containing only one carbon and 4 hydrogen. One carbon, that is C1. H2n means 1. 2 into 1 plus 2, that is 4. So total 4 hydrogen are there. 1 carbon is there. So formula will be CH4 methane. Like this all the alkanes will follow formula CnH2n plus 2. But when we join functional group to this alkane, its general formula will change, because hydrogen atoms present in the alkane are replaced by functional group. Okay. So 2-3 functional groups we will see today. The first one is alcohol. Alcohol is a functional group OH. Here one of the hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by OH group, then the compound is called, that hydrocarbon is called as alcohol. Okay, it is characterized by the presence of an OH group. The picture is in the screen. See the picture, that purple color ball is considered as a carbon, which is attached with 3 white balls hydrogen, and one side it is attached with the red color ball, that is the oxygen. Again it is attached with hydrogen. So structure is like this, carbon attached with 3 hydrogens, oxygen and hydrogen. So out of that methane, what we have discussed earlier, CH4 is a methane group. So from this methane, one hydrogen is replaced by OH group and the name is changed methanol or methyl alcohol. So this OH group will give its characteristics to the hydrocarbon. First functional group, alcohol. Now due to the presence of this OH group, its properties are also changed. Alkane property also changed, because here bonding is different. Here is a bonding between oxygen, hydrogen and oxygen carbon. So the melting and boiling point of the same hydrocarbon is different than the parent alkane. Parent alkane is a methane. We prepared methanol with the functional group OH. So it is having different melting and boiling point. See, few examples of alcohols are given: primary alcohol, secondary and tertiary alcohol. What is primary alcohol? When the alcoholic group is attached with the first carbon in carbon chain. The first compound you can observe, 3 carbons are there. OH group is attached with the first carbon atom. So the name is propanol, attached with the first. So propane 1 all, functional group. Secondary alcohol, when OH group is attached at the second carbon, then it is called as the secondary alcohol. It is called propane to all. But here carbon atoms are 4 in the second compound. So name will come butane to all. Then tertiary alcohol, in that the carbon atom where OH group is attached is bonded with all the side methyl group CH3, 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 3 sides. Such type of compound is called as a tertiary alcohol. So these are the different types of alcohol. It is depend on the position of OH, where it is attached, at the first carbon, second carbon, or at the third carbon. Next functional group is aldehydes and ketones. See dear students, second functional group, aldehydes. Aldehydes group is C double bond O H. This is the functional group for aldehydes. And ketones are C double bond O. Here both the side it is attached with alkyl group. This R is for alkyl. Here it is attached with one side alkyl and second side is the CHO. Now pictures are there. See the first picture, 2 white balls, that are the carbon atoms. Okay. Aldehyde example I will write. 2 carbons attached with a single bond. Then first carbon is attached with 3 hydrogen atoms, red colored ball. Then purple colored ball, that is oxygen. And again red is hydrogen. So this is the aldehyde. CHO group, aldehyde. The name of compound is ethanol. 2 carbons, so ethanol. Second ketone, see the picture given on screen. 3 purple balls are there. 3 purple balls attached, that is carbon. 3 carbon. Okay. Each terminal carbon is attached with 3 hydrogens. White balls are hydrogens. And the red color ball, that is oxygen bonded with the double bond, because oxygen valency 2, it will form 2 bonds. So this is ketone. See, few examples of aldehydes and ketones are given. The first example is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde, it is also called as a methanol. 1 carbon containing functional group CHO, so that is the formaldehyde or methanol. Second compound, ethanol, CH3CHO. Third compound, 3 carbons are there with the functional group CHO, so the name comes propanol. Fourth compound is given in the picture, that is benzaldehyde. By the name benzaldehyde, benzene ring is attached with CHO group, so it is called benzaldehyde or benzene. Then second functional group, ketone. First example is given acetone. Acetone is a common name for propanone. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. C double bond O is the functional group ketone. Then the next example also given, acetophenone. Phenone group, because phenyl ring is attached with the CH3, C double bond O. So name is acetophenone. So by attaching this different functional group, the property of parent alkane will be changed. It gives its properties. This functional group gives its properties to the hydrocarbons. So, thank you dear students.